The following video is a 2015 HAAS mini mill. Chris is going to run a brief video demonstration for us today.
All right, let's go ahead and run the access real quick. We'll go to hand jog. Now let's go X. Flipping our X. Nice and smooth. We'll do Y. We'll go ahead and run the Z up and down. All right, we'll do a couple tool changes. We'll do it again. All right, we're going to go right into a spindle test now. That is 1,000 RPM. Nice and quiet. That is 3,000 RPM. That is 6,000 RPM, the maximum spindle speed for this machine.
Again, the presenting video was a HAAS mini mill 2015.